Hello friend, in this tutorial I will show you how you can get started with SelectorsHub Pro after taking the subscription. It's very simple. Just follow that email which you have received after taking the subscription. If you didn't find this email in the inbox, then please check your promotion folder as well as the spam folder. For sure it will be there. If you didn't find, then please reach out to us on the live chat here, or you can write us at support@selectorshub.com. Now, after receiving this email, what you have to do, the very first step, please install SelectorsHub Pro in your browser. So if you haven't installed, then please install it from this link. Also, like, you can directly find it on here, SelectorsHub Pro on the home page. Just click on this. Here you will find Chrome, Firefox. It will be available for all the browsers respective. We highly recommend to use it for Chrome because that has the 5.0 version right now. So here you click on this and you can add it to your browser from here, from the Chrome store. Click on add to Chrome, add extension. After adding it, it will be available here. So you have to make the logo visible in the toolbar. So click here, pin it to toolbar, and now logo is available here. Simply just after adding it, we highly recommend that either you restart your browser or open website into the new tab. Okay, so that like it works like a charm. Now click on this logo. So in the SelectorsHub 5.0 you will be able to open SelectorsHub tab just by clicking on this logo like this, and here you have to enter these email credential, username and password which you have received in your email after taking the subscription. So here let's enter the credential. After entering the credential, you will see that it will be open like this, and here you can just simply get started. Here you have the inspector button. You can click on this and start inspecting the element. If you will hover, you will see that it shows you that whether this element is inside Shadow DOM or not. All those features are being supported here. So everything is here. You just select here and you will see that selectors are being generated here. You can see the HTML of that particular element, and if you like inspect Shadow DOM element, it will give you the script like before, everything. So all those things are here. You can see the code, like it is generated in Selenium Java. If you want, you can change that, like if you need in Playwright Java, that you get it here. So those things are there. If you want to disable this inspector, right click, it will disable. Here you can write your own XPath and CSS selector. Here you can generate the access based XPath as well. Like let's say you want to generate XPath for courses with respect to products. So first click here in access XPath, then inspect products, then inspect courses. So you see that here XPath for courses is generated with respect to products. So that feature is there. You can simply copy or edit, all those things you can do. Here you can save the value. Here you can find your saved values. You can generate case insensitive XPath. Attribute filter is there. Code is there. Like if you want to generate the XPath and CSS selector with code, you just click on this, it will be generating here. Your locator page is here. Selector healing is here. So all those features are there. Debugger is there. Double quotes. Customize, you can customize the UI if you want, and then all rest features are there. You can reset it. If you want to use it in DevTools, just right click on inspect and open SelectorsHub Pro here as a last tab. You will find you can just drag and drop to make it first position. So here you can find SelectorsHub Pro as usual. It was there in DevTools, so that is already there. So here you can find it. Also we have added more features, like you can drag and drop the row and rearrange these rows. You can also find the like context ID and name here in the context menus, that is also there. So lot many new features are there which you will find in SelectorsHub Pro. Best thing is there, you can now open by clicking or through keyboard as well. Command Shift S. Just press Command Shift S on Mac and Control Shift S on Windows machine. If you want to customize the this keyboard shortcut, that is also available. I have prepared a separate tutorial so that you can check it out. So yeah, this is how you can get started with SelectorsHub Pro 5.0. Hope you will enjoy this. Thank you.